For centuries, gardeners have grappled with the whims of nature. Unpredictable weather patterns, from scorching summers to biting frosts, often dictate what we can grow and when. Traditional gardening can feel like a constant battle against the elements, a gamble against the uncertainties of the natural world. Imagine a world where these limitations disappear, where the seasons bend to your will, and the bounty of nature flourishes year-round. This is the promise of the Biodome, a revolutionary approach to gardening that offers a haven for your crops, shielding them from the unpredictable and empowering you to cultivate a thriving ecosystem, whatever the weather. No longer at the mercy of late frosts or unexpected heat waves, within the controlled environment of a biodome, you become the master of your own microclimate. This controlled environment allows you to cultivate a wider variety of plants, regardless of your geographical location. Biodomes offer a compelling solution to the challenges of traditional gardening, ushering in a new era of possibilities for both novice and seasoned gardeners alike. These ingenious structures act as miniature ecosystems, carefully calibrated to provide optimal growing conditions for your plants. One of the most significant advantages of a biodome is its ability to extend the growing season. Imagine harvesting fresh, homegrown tomatoes in the depths of winter, or enjoying a vibrant salad of leafy greens, even as snow falls outside. This extended season becomes a reality within the controlled environment of your biodome, allowing for year-round cultivation and a constant supply of fresh produce. Beyond extending the growing season, biodomes offer protection against pests and diseases that can plague outdoor gardens. The enclosed environment acts as a natural barrier, significantly reducing the risk of infestations and allowing you to minimize or even eliminate the use of pesticides. Stepping into the world of biodomes can feel like entering a realm of boundless creativity. From sleek, futuristic geodesic domes to more traditional greenhouse structures, there is a design to suit every gardener's aesthetic and functional needs. Geodesic domes, with their intricate network of triangles, offer exceptional strength and stability, making them ideal for withstanding strong winds and heavy snow loads. These structures are often favored for their aesthetic appeal, adding a touch of modern elegance to any garden. Hoop houses, on the other hand, provide a more economical and straightforward option, particularly for smaller gardens. These structures consist of a series of hoops covered with a greenhouse-grade plastic, creating a tunnel-like structure that is easy to assemble and disassemble. Traditional greenhouses, with their sturdy frames and glass or polycarbonate panels, offer excellent light transmission and insulation, making them an excellent choice for year-round gardening. These structures often come in various sizes and configurations, allowing you to choose the best fit for your available space and budget. Before you embark on your biodome gardening adventure, it's essential to carefully consider your needs and resources to determine the most suitable design for your situation. Factors such as available space, budget, and the types of crops you wish to grow will all play a crucial role in your decision. Start by assessing the amount of space you have available for your biodome. Geodesic domes, while visually striking, tend to require a larger footprint compared to hoop houses or smaller greenhouses. If space is limited, a more compact design might be a more practical choice. Your budget will also play a significant role in determining the type of biodome you can build. Geodesic domes, with their intricate designs and specialized materials, are generally more expensive to construct than hoop houses or smaller greenhouses. Finally, consider the types of crops you plan to grow in your biodome. If you envision cultivating tall fruit trees or a diverse range of vegetables, a larger structure with ample vertical space would be ideal. On the other hand, if you're primarily interested in growing herbs, leafy greens, or smaller vegetables, a more compact design might suffice.